Hi friends, today I'm going to show you some of Windows family which I have used in my projects, and these families I have created using Revit. As you can see, there is a frame and a canopy. See this project. Think if you don't want the canopy here, you just click this window family, go to edit type and go to other and untick this canopy, click OK. See what happened. Now you don't have that canopy here. Also, if you want to remove this small frame or trim, again you need to select this window, go to edit type and other, untick a small frame, click apply, click OK. Now the small frame or small trim also vanished. So this step can do all of these families. If you want, you can download all these windows by becoming a CivilMix Patreon. Also, I will give one for free. You can download free window family from civilmix.com, and the description also mentioned below this video description. If you want to create specific windows or door families, you can contact me and I will help you. If you want anything to know regarding Revit or regarding these window families, you can comment. If you have any question, you can ask from the comment section. And I think for Asians, this kind of window families are really helpful, because we can't find these kind of neat window families. See the plan views of these window families, those are really perfect. So you don't want to do anything extra to get beautiful floor plans and also beautiful 3D views. And if you want to learn how to create these kind of families, also you can comment here. I will create a video tutorial how to create this kind of window family and door families. If you want more families like this, also you can request. And thank you very much.